Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Reshma. Today I want to share with you all 15 simple kitchen tips which I follow on an everyday basis to keep my kitchen looking clean. All the tips that I'm sharing with you all today are simply effortless and does not take more than few seconds to follow. But I can assure you, if you follow these tips, you're going to save a whole lot of time, effort and energy during a deep cleaning of the kitchen. So let's see what the tips are. Never put the vegetable peel or waste on the countertop. Instead, keep a plate or bowl where you can put all these waste, by which your countertop will be neat and clean. You can then throw this easily once you are done with chopping. These microfiber mats are very effective to soak all the water after washing the vessels and keeps the countertop dry and clean. You should wash these two at least once a week. Once chopping is done, always wash the chopping board immediately and place it upright against the wall. Also, clean the knife to keep the sharpness for longer. Always keep the pan covered while you're making tadka or any item which is going to splatter. This not only helps in keeping the flavors within, but also saves the countertop from splatters. All the oil splatters are going to be on the lid. Never keep the lid directly on the countertop. This will transfer all the oil from the lid to the countertop. If you have a lid holder, you can use that. As I do not have one, I place it on a plate. Never place the spoon on the gas or on the countertop. Always place it on a spoon holder, and if you do not have one, place it on a plate. Any spill should be cleaned immediately. Cleaning it immediately is much easier than cleaning it after it has dried. But be careful as the stove could be hot. Always give a wipe to all the items used for cooking before you place them back in their place. This will save you from cleaning all the dabbas at once during deep cleaning. Also, clean the oil bottles with a tissue. Never make rotis directly on the countertop. Instead, place a cloth or paper to collect all the spills, and this is much easier to clean. The countertop will not be dirty after rotis. Oil bottles should always be placed in a tray or on a plate to avoid oil spill on the countertop. I place a tissue in the tray and then place these bottles, by which even if there is any spill, the tissue will absorb all the oil. Always wash the containers once empty before you refill them. This avoids you from cleaning all the containers at once during deep cleaning. Never leave the tea vessel after making tea in the sink. Always strain the tea leaves and fill the tea vessel with water immediately. By doing this, it's much easier to wash the strainer and the vessel later. Never leave the mixer jar in the sink after grinding. Instead, just give a quick rinse after use and then fill it with little water and a few drops of dishwashing liquid. Now, give it a quick pulse on the mixer. You have a clean mixer jar and it does not take more than few seconds. Also, this keeps the blade sharper for longer. Always give a quick wipe to the appliances before you place them back in their designated places. Any spills are easier to be cleaned now rather than waiting to clean during deep clean when it is all dried and hard to clean. Last but not the least, keep as less items on the countertop. The more you keep, the more items you will have to clean on an everyday basis. And also, try and keep most of the items on a tray as it's easier to move the tray and clean on an everyday basis. If you have watched my video till here and if you have found any of the tip as useful and informative, do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye.